एग्रीकल्चर इन योर बैकयार्ड वीडियो इज़ इन इंग्लिश। हिंदी के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में क्लिक कर सकते हैं और पंजाबी ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ डिस्क्रिप्शन 'ਚ क्लिक कर सकते हो। Welcome to our backyard. Today we are going to see a lot of plants that we have grown, lot of vegetables that we have grown in our backyard. So we will start by plant of tomato. So first we'll go over the tomato plant, and as you can see, this is the tomato plant, and here we have a beef sticks tomatoes. So these tomatoes are really heavy, really juicy, and it has a lot of pulp in it as well. So these are beef sticks tomatoes, and this is green so far. It will gonna turn red pretty soon. This is the turnip. So we have done a lot of turnip here, but it hasn't grown any vegetable yet, but pretty soon it'll be start growing turnips. So next we will go over a small plant that's a strawberry plant. And oh yeah, as you can see, before that we'll go over Roma tomatoes plant. Yes, these are Roma tomatoes. These are a little bit longer than the other tomatoes. These are also good. This is another tomato plant. As you can see, it has a bunches of tomatoes. It is still green. It is also same variety. It's also called beef stick tomatoes. And next we will go over strawberry plant. As you can see, there are little bit small strawberries. There used to be a lot of strawberries in this when it was peak of the summer, but now strawberries are almost gone. So this is now another plant of green pepper. As you can see, this is green pepper, and it has grown a lot of green peppers. This is chili. This is Thai chili. So as you can see, it has a lot of Thai chili hanging. The plant is pretty small, as you can see, but we have grown. It has given us lot of chilies. So let's move to the next one. Okay. As you can see over here, there's another plant of green pepper and green chili, and you can see that yes, it has there, and it has also given us a lot of vegetables. Let's speak it a little bit back. This eggplant. So we have this eggplant grown up. This has given really big eggplants to us. We have not used, by the way, any spray, any harmful chemicals. It's just pure. Uh, as you can see, here are some chilies that we have grown, and this we just plucked this from green chilies, Thai chilies from our plant today. So next move on to some big plants. As you can see, it spreads a lot, and this is a squash. We have pretty different kind of squash grown up. So this is the one kind, which is, if you can see, pretty long, pretty big, pretty heavy. If you go to market, it is like, because these are heavy, it ends up being really expensive, but we have grown a lot in our backyard, and we never end up buying in the from the market this season. This is another type of squash. As you can see, it's a little bit greenish, it's a little bit brown, but this is also good. And the next one we will see is, this is also another type of squash. It's the same as the first color as the first one that we saw, but it is a round one, and this also tastes really good. This is, yeah, this is the same as the one that we just saw. And the next we will see a green one. Yes, the green one, from inside it's more or less very similar taste, a little bit different, but outside it looks totally different. So these are the pretty different kind of varieties we were trying this year, and to see that what we like the best. Next we will see, this is a cucumber. As you can see, this is a cucumber, but most of the season of cucumber is almost done, but we still have some left. The next, there's another plant of tomatoes. As you can see, this comes in bunches, and this has grown really good tomatoes to us. Each plant has given us like kilos and kilos of tomatoes. The next we will go over zucchini. As you can see, this is the zucchini plant. As you can see in the back, we have few zucchinis hanging. But so far in this season, I guess we had probably 30 kilos of zucchini came out of it. So we were eating zucchini all the time. This is another plant of squash that we done, and this was the same as very first one that we saw. The next we will see, this is spinach. This is baby spinach actually, and it has grown a lot. It is growing since probably March. We pick it up and we put the new one, and that's how it goes. And this is mint. As you can see, mint is growing. Mint is super easy. You just put it in any pot and it will do. This is another cucumber plant. We put it in pot. As you can see, two cucumbers are still hanging over here. Yeah. So growing cucumber is also easy. You put the seeds, you just take care of it, and it goes really well. The next, we will go back to back of our, we will see that apple. So here we have grown some apple plant. We've just put the seed a couple of months ago, and here it grows. It will take a couple of years to get to a real tree and give us the fruit. And the next is blueberry. This is the blueberry plant. It has given some blueberries to us this year, but next couple of years it will be a lot of blueberries, and we will be eating those. This is the next plant that we can see. This is the again another type of chili. These are long chilies that we usually use in pickle, and yeah, this has not given any chilies yet, but it will be. This is the wheatgrass. So wheatgrass is really good and it has a lot of calcium. So what we're gonna do, we pick it up, grind it, and eat the juice of it. And it is so full of calcium that it has done really good to us. The next, we will move to a tree. So we also have a plum tree in our backyard. It has given us this season probably 15 kilos of plum, and usually it gives a lot of plums every season. And this is another plant of zugli that we have grown in our pot, and this is the plant of red rose, and this the season of red rose is almost done. So as you can see here, we have grown a lot of plants in our backyard. We took really good care of it. We don't use any chemical sprays, no big fertilizers, and we can also show you each and every plant, how we grow it. So please subscribe it, like it, comment it, whatever specific vegetable plant you want to see how to grow it, and we will provide you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.